In part 1 of the demo, we saw how Mobile One-to-One used Clearveil Nexus to connect and work with customers and prospects. In this second part, we'll look at how Nexus also underpins part of Mobile One-to-One's supply chain, enabling one of their customers to get financing to support a large order. Mobile One-to-One have selected FutureTech to supply components for their new Touch II tablet computer. FutureTech can provide a unique feature set for the Touch II, which Mobile One-to-One believe will give them significant competitive advantage. However, having never worked with FutureTech before, Mobile One-to-One want reassuring about the viability and trustworthiness of FutureTech. As a relatively new company, FutureTech expects such concerns from buyers, so have taken steps to gain relevant certification and accreditation. Firstly, they've enabled their public-facing homepage for their Clearveil network. This provides basic details about the company and allows them to promote their products. It also forms the basis for their entry in the Clearveil Nexus Global Directory. They've also installed the Clearveil Nexus certification application. This has done two things. It's created a secure area called a conduit in their Clearveil network where FutureTech staff can collate the necessary documentation to apply for certification by various authorities. It's also enabled a Clearveil widget that displays the accreditation marks FutureTech has acquired, and these can be displayed on the home page. FutureTech can grant access to relevant issuing authorities to apply for certification. They can also open it up to potential customers to allow them to perform their own assessment. FutureTech invite Mobile One-to-One to the conduit in this way. The legal and accounting teams at Mobile One-to-One review the documentation and find everything satisfactory. Reassured about FutureTech's viability, Mobile One-to-One have now placed a large order with FutureTech. However, as FutureTech is a small company, they don't have the funding to deliver such a large order. They therefore need to apply for trade financing to cover the order. To do this, they also use Clearveil Nexus. The Nexus trade financing marketplace is designed to bring together borrowers, lenders and factors. FutureTech create a conduit for the financing application and use the marketplace widgets to apply for the financing and review interested lenders. TechBank specialises in providing funding for technology companies, but would normally be interested in larger, longer-term loans. However, Max Factor would be interested in becoming a factor for the deal, which makes TechBank more willing to provide the funds. TechBank, Max Factor and FutureTech connect on Nexus and use the conduit on FutureTech's network to discuss the financing required. TechBank and Max Factor representatives feel that this is a good deal, but would like more details from FutureTech's customer, Mobile One-to-One. So Mobile One-to-One are added to the collaboration. The financing is agreed, and throughout the lifetime of the loan, FutureTech keep Max Factor and TechBank informed through the Nexus community.